To delete unwanted photos on the POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, as you can see in my gallery right here, I have some of the photos that I don't want to use. First, I need to adjust the permission for that app as it's very annoying. Okay, so in gallery I have some photos that I took by accident, let's say. So we can clean all of those photos without selecting them manually by simply opening settings on our device, go to about phone, click on storage, and then scroll all the way down to deep clean. Inside you will find the option to delete photos. If you select that, you will see different photos categories like accidental photos, duplicate photos, and etc. Now you can just select all of them like this and instantly remove them all without bothering with just clicking on each and one of them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.